So I'm using an method. So if I use fruits dot append, okay. So this method will not be used standalone. So how do you use range? You use range directly, right? Like this, one, okay, or comma two. So you use it standalone, okay. But append method or append function will not be used standalone. It will be used with the variable. Okay, this is its behavior. It needs some kind of a variable. So I have a fruit list. I want to append something. I want to append a fruit here. Okay, append means adding. I want to add it. Okay, this method replace that index element, but this will add. Okay, so where it is adding, by default it is adding at the end. Okay, at the end of the guava. And this function is making modification in my original list. Okay, so fruits dot append is orange, print fruits. Now there is one more method or one more function which is called as fruit dot insert. So now what I want is I want to add at a particular index. Okay, so I want to add watermelon. At which place I want to add? I want to add at first index. So let me copy these values. I want to add this watermelon at this index. This index means banana has to go right side. Then only I will be able to add watermelon at this place, right? So there is a inbuilt function in Python which will be used with the name of list in which you want to add. So fruits dot insert. If I use one and then I use watermelons, this will be replaced and pushed towards the right side. And what will be the output if I print apple, watermelon? Did I add it twice? Okay, wait a minute. Yeah. Okay, I again. So if you use this variable again, right? So the values for this list will be replaced. So this is the current value. Because if you see there are no grapes, right? Earlier I was using grapes here. So now the values will be replaced. This will be considered as your current value. So this is your current value. Now what I did what I wanted was in place of banana I wanted to add watermelon so that banana moves right side. So what I did, I used fruits.insert function and I added this and I just did a print. So apple, watermelon, in place of banana there is a watermelon, then banana moves right side, then cherry, then kiwi, then guava. So what insert function did is it added at the index which I given here. So let's see if I hover my mouse here, right? So if you see def insert index, you see it is suggesting me that insert here you have to add an index and then object str. Object str means any string value you want to give here. Okay, whichever value you will give here, right? Insert this bracket. If you see this is the starting bracket, this is the closing bracket. I need to give index, then an object. So insert, this is the index, this is the object. Okay. So if I give it at second place, let's see what will happen. So apple and banana are good, but on second, I was having cherry. So in place of cherry, what happened was watermelon was added, and the rest of the list is shifted right side.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our session at LWP Labs. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and contact the number for live classes. The future is now with AI.